Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be buying some V Bucks, so let's get started. You're going to see all the way up here, your last option will see V Bucks, and what I recommend buying always is the last option. That's because you get 35% extra. It's actually technically cheaper to get all of this than just buying the base 1000 V Bucks, for example. So we're just going to do that right now. I'm going to press right there. We're going to hold on to X to purchase this. We should see this screen and then confirm purchase. It's going to say processing, thank you, and your V-Bucks should be going up, up, up in a way. So I had 50 V-Bucks, so I can go back to game. And right now, on the top right-hand corner of my screen, you guys should see that I have 13,550 V-Bucks now. So perfect. So the reason why I particularly get all these V-Bucks is because I need to do giveaways, but that's in my case. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.